Have you ever struggled to give clear feedback on a PDF? Maybe you tried highlighting text, but it just wasn't enough. Imagine reviewing a floor plan, a design draft, or even a business document where words alone can't explain your thoughts. That's exactly why PDFelement 12 introduced the new Shape Comments feature. With shapes like rectangles, circles, arrows, and lines, you can visually point out exactly what needs attention, making your feedback not only accurate, but instantly understandable. Think about it. Instead of writing a paragraph of notes, one arrow or circle tells the whole story. That's the power of visual feedback. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to use shape comments in PDFelement 12. So by the end, you'll know how to transform your PDF reviews into something that's clear, professional, and visually engaging. Stick around, because this feature could completely change the way you collaborate on PDFs. Step 1. Open your PDF. Launch PDFelement on your computer. Import the PDF you want to review by dragging it in or clicking Open File. Step 2. Access the Comment tab. Go to the left side menu and select Comment. Here you'll see all the annotation tools PDFelement provides. Step 3. Select a shape tool. Look for the Shape Comments options. You'll find tools like basic shapes, lines, block arrows, markers, and callout. Click the shape you want to use. Step 4. Draw the shape on your PDF. Simply click and drag on your PDF to place the shape. For example, use a rectangle to highlight a section. Use an arrow to point to a detail. Use an oval to circle important information. Step 5. Customize your shape. Right-click on the shape and select Properties. Now you can change the color to make it stand out, adjust the opacity, or even change the line thickness for more emphasis. This helps your comment stand out clearly for whoever reviews the PDF. Step 6. Add notes to shapes. Right-click the shape and select Add Comment. Type in your explanation or feedback. Now your visual mark has context too. Step 7. Save and share. When finished, click File, then click on Save As to keep a copy with your comments. Share the PDF with teammates or clients, and they'll immediately understand your visual notes. And that's it. With the PDFelement 12 Shape Comments feature, you can go beyond plain text notes and make your feedback truly visual. Try it out in your next PDF and see how much easier communication becomes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PDFelement tips. See you in the next one with another new feature.